Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable hover select in Windows 11. So firstly click on start, type control panel, now here select large icons or small icons. Then in this list you will see ease of access center, click on it. Now here click on make the mouse easier to use. Make it easier to manage Windows. So underneath you will see activate a Windows by hovering over it with the mouse. So select it, then click on apply, then click on OK. So this is the way guys you can enable hover select in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.